Canada's Immigration Pathways for Nurses. Your complete guide to permanent residency starts now. Canada urgently needs nurses. Internationally trained nurses now have more pathways than ever to build their careers here. Begin your journey by exploring Canada's main immigration pathways: Express Entry, provincial nominee programs, and community-based pilots. Start with a National Nursing Assessment Service (NNAS) evaluation. This step verifies your education and credentials for Canadian licensing. Prepare and submit your NNAS application online. Gather essential documents like your diploma and professional identification. After submission, wait for your NNAS advisory report. This document is needed for any provincial licensing process. Choose your province. Each region requires a separate application to its nursing regulatory body, based on where you plan to work. Prepare for the NCLX or Provincial Practical Nurse exams. Most provinces require successful completion before licensing. Passing the NCLEX or equivalent exam marks a major milestone. Now you're eligible for a provincial license as a nurse. Express Entry is Canada's fastest PR pathway. Nurses apply under the Federal Skilled Worker or Canadian Experience Class streams. Consider provincial nominee programs. Each province selects nurses based on local shortages, offering additional streams for quicker permanent residency. Try the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot or Atlantic Immigration Program, these target areas needing skilled healthcare workers most. Once licensed, start working with a valid job offer or work permit. Many employers provide settlement support and orientation for newcomers. Nurses earn competitive salaries, strong employee benefits, and long-term settlement advantages for themselves and their families in Canada. Your skills are in demand. Take the first step toward a rewarding nursing career and new life in Canada today.